A 10 on your side success story tonight out of Chesapeake. We've been telling you about a pair of senior citizen women who were living without heat in their home for over a year. After our story aired last week, locals stepped up to help out, replacing the unit for free. And now they're celebrating not only a warm house, but the friends they've made along the way. Gloria Simms inherited this home from her parents on one condition.
Keep it as a family home for family and friends to come to visit and to stay. And since my parents have been deceased, that has happened.
It was certainly true this past week as we saw people coming into the home as strangers but leaving as family. John Schaefer couldn't be happier for these two.
Actually get heat today, and when they come home and go to sleep tonight, it'll be a much different experience for them.
And besides one little hiccup with the unit that goes in the attic,
Hold on. We just had to take it apart to fit through the access and then reassemble it up in the attic.
We got it.
Everything has been smooth sailing, and it's really been the coming together of a community to make this happen.
The help from Marlon, the electrician from Too Cool Enterprises, he came out and donated his time and material to run the circuit to make this happen.
Social services also came by to make sure Simms wasn't getting scammed and noticed another need.
Then they came in and realized she didn't have smoke detectors in the house. So the fire department installed 3 of those here.
It's been a week that has seen Gloria Simms and Emma Hansford showered with a little sawdust and lots of love.
I'm just thankful, very thankful for everybody that's here today. I just feel so blessed. I truly do.
She's benefited so very much for just one phone call to Wavy TB Tech.
Now, the heat was turned on around 3 o'clock today, so those two will sleep well tonight. We know 28 other companies also reached out to them, which is incredible. So thank you to everyone who called Pastor Goodwin offering their help.